Hey guys, I hope you had fun with Miss M learning how to play with this game and have some fun with it with your spinner and everything. But today we are going to go ahead and put that to the side and we are going to get out this this practice sheet of 9.2. And what we're going to do is we're going to compare numbers. And compare means to see what's the same and what's different, to look at both of them. We've done that before. And so what we're going to do is we're going to count how many we have here and then write down the number that we count. We're going to do it for each one of these, okay? So we're going to go ahead and do the first one together. Let me grab my marker here. All right, so we're going to count the first one together. You ready? Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is 9. So we're going to write a 9. Remember, make a circle and come straight down. We're going to write the number 9. Now we're going to count how many we have here. And I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm going to put a 7, slide to the right and slant on down. So now I have a 9 and a 7, and it tells us which one has more. So we need to circle which one has more. Now let's see. Looks like, I don't know, does this one have more? Or does this one have more? I want you to take your guess. Go ahead and circle which one is more. All right, I hope you circled 9. I hope you circled 9 because 9 is 2 more than 7. You see how this goes up 2 more? So it's 2 more than 7. Okay, now we're going to go right here. We're going to go ahead and do the middle one together. And let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3. So we're going to write a 3 on this line. Halfway around and around again. All right, now we're going to count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we're going to write a 5. Down and around and give it a hat. Make sure it's not backwards because sometimes we write our 5s backwards. All right, now we need to circle which one has more. Go ahead and pick which one has more. Circle it on your paper for me. Okay, I hope you colored the 5 because 5 is 2 more than 3. So if you can see where I drew the line, 5 has 2 more. Okay, we're going to do this last one together, and then you guys get to do the bottom ones by yourselves and try that out. Okay, so up here, let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're going to slide to the right and slant on down. Now we're going to count how many we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, that 5 again. Down and around and give it a hat. All right, now we're going to try to find out which one has more. I'll give you a second. Circle the one that has more. All right, I hope you picked 7. And if you draw a line across, you can see that 7 has 2 more than 5. Do you notice something interesting about this? Look, 2 more, 2 more. 2 more. They all have 2 more. Interesting. All right, I want you to go ahead and do these ones for me. But take a look. It's not just 2 more on all of them. It might be something different. So when you're done with all 3 of those, you're going to flip your paper over. And you're going to go ahead and look at all these numbers. And it says to color which one has less. Less means not as much, okay? So we'll go ahead and look at the first one. All right, so we're going to look at color the numbers that is less. Which one of those numbers is the less, which has not a whole lot? So I wonder 3, 9, or 2? Which one is less, the smallest number? Which one's the smallest number? I hope you thought of the 2. 2 is definitely smaller than 3 and 9. So I can show you right here. Let me get out some counters. All right, you ready? There's 2 counters. Then we have 3 counters. Then we can get out 9 counters. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh my gosh, you can see that the 2 is definitely smaller than 3 and 9. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and do the middle one together. And you can still have your counters. That could be okay. That'll help you. So let's see. All right, our first one says 7. So let's get out 7 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, we have 7 counters. Now our next number in the middle is 5. So I'm going to get 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now you can see 5 is a little bit smaller than 7 because everything lines up. So let's go ahead and do our next number, 4. So I'm going to put 4 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now we have 4 counters. Now you can see that 4 is definitely smaller than 5 because there's nothing here. And then this 7 is bigger than 5, so there's nothing here. And it's definitely bigger than 4 because there's nothing here. So 4 is smaller, is the smallest one. So we're going to go ahead and color 4. And if you color with a different color, that's okay. Like I did, that's fine. All right, now we're going to go ahead and do this one here, okay? So let's go ahead and move our counters out of the way. And then we're going to need 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now we need 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, see, look, 3 is definitely smaller than 5, isn't it? All right, let's get 8. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You want to make sure that you line everything up so that way when we compare them, look at all of them together, you can see which one has less, which one is smaller. That'll help you. So as you can see, 8 is definitely bigger than 5. And 5 is a little bit smaller than 8. And 3 is definitely smaller than 5, isn't it? So you can go ahead and color in your 3. All right, guys. So you're going to keep comparing all your numbers like that. And I want you to work on the rest of these. Which one has less? And it's the smallest number. And you can use those counters if you need to. But if you don't need to, that's okay too. Because sometimes our brains just know that's what that number is. So keep comparing all these numbers and color in which ones they are. And don't forget to take a picture of this. And go ahead and put it on your slide so Miss Keegan can see what you're doing. And you can also take a picture of this side too if you like. But for sure, a picture of this, please. All right, guys, go have some fun and enjoy doing some math. And remember, we're comparing the numbers, lining them up. All right, I'll talk to you later. Bye.